Will Cardano be one of those companies that massive corporations like Blackrock, Grayscale, some of these huge players, will they make Cardano pieces and parts of the grander plan for crypto? Is BlackRock interested in Cardano? There was a tweet sent out by Altcoin Daily that sparked some interest. I'm going to give you my thoughts on all of this in this video. Talk about where I think Cardano is going. Talk about the future of Cardano when it comes to adoption from the big players. And we're going to talk about where Cardano is already listed. There is a large cap fund that already has exposure to Cardano, and I think we're just scratching the surface here. So if you're interested in that, make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video. Go ahead and smash the like button right now. And Cardano fam, hopefully you're doing fantastic out there, because we're also going to take a look at the price of Cardano. And recently, my indicator that I use to trade flashed a momentum up signal on Cardano yesterday on the daily time frame. It's been a while, and this could be a really good sign for Cardano. So stick around to the end of the video before we get out of here, because we're going to go over the price action and talk about where we think we could be heading next in this October month that has seen Bitcoin and crypto pop a little bit. Let's take a quick look at that. Overall market up 2.5%, 1.11 trillion crypto market cap globally. Bitcoin's up 4% in the last 24 hours. Cardano's up 2% in the last 24 hours, up about 10% in the last 7 days, outpacing Bitcoin a little bit in that regard. And Cardano's market cap closing closer to a $10 billion market cap, right on the heels of Solana right now. Dogecoin also right there just behind ADA. Now, is BlackRock looking into Cardano? This is what's been happening over on X. Some discussions about this, and I wanted to share my thoughts and give you guys some things to consider here. But Altcoin Daily yesterday tweeted out, is BlackRock looking into Cardano? Well, the conversation started after the SEC postponed its rulings on several additional Bitcoin ETF proposals. Following its recent postponement of decisions for ARK21 shares and Global X until January, these latest anticipated delays, filed on Thursday, specifically pertain to the Bitcoin ETF applications submitted by the big dogs, BlackRock, Bitwise, and some others. Crypto analytics platform Analytics Insight emphasized the significance of BlackRock's BTC ETF in bringing fresh money to Cardano. An article stated, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, emerging as a pivotal player, is poised to inject fresh capital into various digital assets, including Bitcoin and promising cryptos like Cardano, Shiba Inu, and Bitcoin Spark. This is crypto trader Bullish Alex expressing confidence in Cardano ETFs, noting that in the future, a Cardano ETF is inevitable. Similarly, another popular crypto-related Twitter account noted that BlackRock venturing into Cardano would potentially indicate a growing recognition of proof-of-stake blockchain networks. Now, we're going to come back over here, but look at this. One of the best performing exposure funds to Cardano, and there's a lot of them out there. Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund is one of them, GDLC. It's an index fund. Came out in February 2018. Recently, after 2020, as of 2023, Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin are no longer part of this fund. Instead, they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. They had Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin in here. Now they have Bitcoin, Ethereum. Look at this. Solana, Polygon, and Cardano were replaced, or did replace, Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. So they feel as if Solana, Polygon, and Cardano give them a far better opportunity long term. Very interesting. So we're already seeing Cardano listed in those large cap funds, right? So to say that we're going to see an ETF in the future is not out of the realm of possibility at all. Right? So on the other hand, it says, amidst the SEC's delay in approving Valkyrie's application for an ETH futures contract, the asset management company has announced it'll provide the U.S. investors with exposure to ETH futures alongside its existing Bitcoin strategy ETF. The strategy ETF for Bitcoin will grant investors access to both Bitcoin and Ether futures within a single investment vehicle. Effective October 3rd, the fund will undergo a name change. And I think what they're getting at here is the future could include a Cardano ETF in a very similar manner. And I think that is certainly very, very possible. Now, with that being said, we love that, right? Obviously, the future of that and the outlook of that. But what about the here and now? What about the price of Cardano today? What's going on? Well, let's dive into it. Let's take a look at the one-day price. One-day chart. So Cardano, if you guys remember back in July, had a massive run-up from about 28 cents all the way to 37 cents in one day. Huge spike, but it gave it all back literally starting the next day. This was back on Friday the 13th. It was a really interesting spike. Everything spiked up and then quickly gave back. All right, so recently, though, look at this. We just flashed a momentum up indicator yesterday on this candle coming from 25 cents and closing well above 26 cents. We're on a second day of a green candle right now. If we come into an hour by hour, look at Cardano and what we've seen happen here since September 27th when we were consolidating down here at 24 cents. We have seen Cardano come up very nicely. We got our momentum up flash here yesterday, actually on Saturday, right here on this candle, 25. So far, it's been a nice 6% return. So if you're looking at trading, and we're yet to get momentum down, by the way, on the hour by hour. So this was a good possibility to enter a trade here on Saturday on the momentum up. If you guys are using XT Algo, my trading indicator, you guys would have access to this. The indicators right now, from a technical perspective, the indicators over on TradingView that are public and out here, showing a buy on the summary, moving averages as well, showing a buy, looking like we're above the 10-day, above the 20, above the 30, above the 50, and then it gets a little interesting. We've got to get up over 27.8 to get to that 100-day, and then that 200-day moving average, guys, the EMA at 30 cents, just below 31 cents. That is the crucial level we're looking for Cardano to get really, really bullish here in this October. Want to get over 31 cents. So if we go back into the one day, that's what we're waiting for right now. We want to get over 31 cents and sustain it. And then we could have a path upwards to about the 45-cent level from there. So looking pretty bullish on the charts here to start. Looking pretty bullish for October to start. And I'll tell you what, the bigger picture looks great for Cardano too. Blackrock could be already looking into Cardano. The future of a Cardano ETF is real. And these top cryptos like Cardano, like Solana, like Polygon are going to garner a ton of institutional interest. And this is what makes me so bullish on all three of those projects. But in particular, Cardano, in terms of what they've already built on the DeFi side, super bullish long-term here on ADA. Appreciate you guys as always. Let me know what you think about all this down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash that like button on your way out, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.